perspective, change the way you look at something, and what you're looking at changes. Now, change it, for example, rather than having to do, look at it like you get to do. Changes everything. You get to go to work. You get to drive a car. You may sit in traffic, but you get to drive a car. There's lots of people would love to have the car you've got because they don't have a car. Now, that's one way of looking at things. We have the ability to change our perspective. Animals, they don't. As far as we know, the only animal on the earth, human beings, who can change the way we look at things, because we're all looking at things from a different perspective. If you're looking at that phone, what you're seeing is the back of the phone. What I'm seeing is the front of the phone. Don't make life different. Doesn't make you wrong and me right and you wrong, because that's what you're seeing from your perspective. It's what I'm seeing from my perspective. Change how you look at things. You can achieve some pretty big things. So, don't look at the small picture. Look at the big picture.